Luke 16:19 to 21, as we study this now, piece by piece. There was once a rich man who wore expensive clothes and every day ate the best food. But a poor beggar named Lazarus was brought to the gate of the rich man's house. He was happy just to eat the scraps that fell from the rich man's table. His body was covered with sores, and dogs kept coming back and coming up to lick them. So here you see extreme contrasts. Sobrang magkaibang kalagayan. Yung mayaman na lalaki who wore expensive clothes and ate the best foods every day. Imagine yourself going to an eat-all-you-can restaurant every day. And of course, without saying it, this man could afford very expensive doctors and everything that money could buy. Meanwhile, Lazarus was covered with sores. He ate nothing but crumbs and had dogs as nurses and doctors. Ang tagapagpalinis niya ng kanyang mga sugat ay mga asong dinidilaan ng kanyang mga sugat na hindi niya siguro maitaboy. Maaaring siya ay paralitiko dahil kinakailangan siyang buhatin para ilagay doon sa pintuan ng mayaman at umasang matapunan man lang kahit ng mga sobrang mga pispis na nahuhulog sa hapagkainan ng mayaman na ito. He had to be brought there and therefore he lived on charity. Two contrasts.